Hey. Yo.
What's up?
Y'all haven't seen him in a cool minute.
Hey man, how's it going? So.
Yo, what's poppin', guys? Fallenetic's kind of back.
Kind of back. We're not fully ready yet, but check this out. We got the last piece to his steering wheel, NRG quick release.
Let's check this out.
Oh,
yep.
Wait, it came with a sticker, but I think I think I might keep it.
He's gonna keep it because I already have like 2. Anyways, yo, we're back, kind of. I kind of wanted to film the process, but I got a quick release for my car. Well, he got me a quick release.
Sure did.
And we didn't really film like any of it or anything that's happened to my car recently. But we're finna put this last piece on because it's bolted on right now. But, uh-oh, my dog's getting crazy. Here's the core. It beat this way.
Check that out, check it out.
Yo,
Peep the drip.
bro, peep the freaking drip. My car's locked and my keys aren't on me. Here's the old wheel.
Already taken apart.
Taking apart the airbags in here, but I have it covered up and stuff, just trying to be safe. But here's the box that the wheel came in. We've had it since December, but this is what the hub came in. We already have the hub. We just need this last piece. Okay.
Unboxing this. Boom. He has an anodized type look, so I went ahead, got him an anodized quick release. It's pretty nifty.
Cause like the whole theme of the car right now is like it's a lot of gray, it's a lot of black, and a lot of white. So I wanted something inside that pop a little bit more.
I've never even heard of frog skin.
Bro, that was like a thing when I was a kid. Like, let's get this frog skin. This is like really the thing. Focus. We need a better camera, but this won't come off, and it won't come off right here either. And we can't get it. It doesn't go through. So we're gonna pause it until we get it off. Let's show them this piece right here. Or we will take it back out. This came with it. You want to explain everything as you do it? So
this is the first quick release install I've ever really experienced with. I don't know what this is. It looks like it's a spacer. It's right here. I could see if it, I don't think it goes in there. Yeah, it doesn't look like it goes in there, but
that's kind of how we do it at Fallenetic. We've never done anything before, so
just put it in here because it
fits in there. So
I mean,
it goes there.
It looks like it's just like a reinforcement type thing. We got these things for this end, so that way you're not scratching things. There's 2 of them because those are basically what spacers are. And then I don't know why they gave me a little tiny ass Allen wrench.
I'm gonna add it. I can add it to my collection.
But other than that, is a quick release. It doesn't pop out like this. You have to press this button. Comes out, stays locked in place with your wheel on it, and then you always gotta
be attached to the backboard wheel.
You see how there's 2 connectors there and 2 connectors on this? It goes on fairly. Yeah, it's just a little twisting.
Heck, my guy, my friend,
my veteran,
my brother. Okay.
It's on there.
So that should be all cash money, hopefully.
Now.
And that's how it be.
He's just gotta connect it, even though his horn's not connected.
It's JD. It's more authentic if you connect everything. Trust me. It's better for the car. There, guys.
It's on.
That's literally how you do it. It's just that easy. That's why you come to us if you have any tutorials. But now she's being stupid. Come on, don't be stupid. Be smart like us.
One eternity later.
Cash. All right, it's done, and it only took us a lot longer than we thought, and it was only a little bit more complicated than first anticipated.
All right, show them the pop off and put it back on, dude. It's pretty clean, nice anodized look, beautiful color. Look at that glisten. And then he kind of just snaps back on.
And there she is, boys.
Check this out. Doesn't work, but that's JDM.
Who needs a fucking horn anyways? I mean, who needs a flipping horn anyways?
Yep.
So anyways, gotta check if it's in neutral.
Yeah.
So projects this summer is hopefully a manual swap for this, because I have the manual transmission. I just need the time and money to get the rest of the parts, you know. And then
he's gonna slap a fat turbo.
And then I want to turbo the old gal. But for the meantime, pretty cash money. So yeah. Come on. I'm still new to the quick release life. So it's more JDM if you take the wheel with you, you know? Like, it can stay in here obviously, but who can steal your car if they don't have a wheel? I was sitting on that stuff.
And they could just go.
Yeah, but anyways.
Deep rush.